In a tranquil garden, a young man sat under the shade of a tree, lost in deep thought. Nearby, an elder with a serene smile observed him quietly. The young man wondered aloud, "Why does peace elude me? Everywhere, there seems to be restlessness, like everyone is running without purpose, as if something is lost." The elder, smiling gently, said, "Son, have you ever noticed how the sun rises daily, the birds sing, the water flows, and at night, the moon casts its light?" The young man replied, "Yes, these things happen daily, but how are they related to my restlessness?" The elder explained, "Just as nature follows a set order, our hearts and minds also need a proper path, and Islam provides us that guidance." In the background, soft recitation of the Quran could be heard. The young man exclaimed, "Islam? But I do perform my prayers, yet this restlessness persists." The elder responded, "Performing prayers is not enough unless there's true belief in the heart. Complete trust in Allah is essential for peace." "So, what should I do?" the young man asked. The elder advised, "The first step is to consider Allah your closest friend. In every trouble, speak to him and pray as you would confide in someone dear. The second step is to read and understand the Quran. It holds answers to all life's questions. The third step is to treat others kindly, for true peace comes from bringing peace to others." As gentle rain began to fall, a look of peace and joy spread across the young man's face. Smiling, he said, "Indeed, I feel an unusual light within. I now understand that peace is in drawing closer to Allah, not chasing the world." The elder chuckled softly, "Son, this is the path of enlightenment, and those who walk it never go astray." The scene gradually blurred as the call to prayer resonated in the background, marking the end of the script. Moral: true peace lies in drawing closer to Allah, understanding His guidance, and spreading kindness to others.